Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset NBA Live mobile accounts. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Reddit and they explained everything about the reset. So as you can see guys, here the title, NBA Live Mobile Reset. Wanting to know if there is going to be a reset after the season is done. Like, will I lose all my cards that I have? Basically, guys, you can't reset your account. So the only way to reset your account is by deleting it. There was a talk about that NBA Live Mobile that EA Sport will reset all of the accounts when the season is done. So a lot of players on these forums talk about the reset as if it is a certainty. However, as of now, nothing is confirmed. A spokesperson for EA actually has this to say. We've seen rumors on these and other forums about a possible reset for NBA Mobile. I would like to clarify that EA has not announced any reset plans as of this writing, to refrain from further unnecessary rumors. When discussing NBA mobile news, make sure to check that your source of information is linking directly to an official EA announcement or website. You can see that discussion and more on this topic over here in answers.ea.com. So if you open this link, you're gonna find the answers about the account reset. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.